Hello viewers, I know many people have already bought many tablets during Freedom Sale on Amazon.in and Flipkart.com. In this Freedom Sale, the price of each and every tablet was on the higher side. So many people also didn't buy any product in this sale and they are eagerly waiting for Big Billion Days sale. But if you are planning to buy a tablet right now and you have urgency in buying a tablet, in this video I will talk about the price and tablets. For example, I can see that OnePlus Pad 2 is available at a price point of 32,000 rupees, and if you have Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card, in that case you will get 1,599 rupees cashback, instant cashback, and then afterwards you will get rewards up to 300 rupees. So the effective price comes down to 30,400 rupees. So 30,100 rupees actually, and in HDFC card you will get 6 months EMI, but that is not so great offer. So if you have ICICI Bank credit card, in that case you can definitely consider buying OnePlus Pad 2 because this is a very good tablet. As you can see here, OnePlus Pad 2 has Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and the display quality is excellent, battery is very good, and you will have a very good software experience also, but don't expect too much software update on this tablet. Similarly, the next tablet in the list is Redmi Pad 2 Pro. As you can see here, the price of this tablet is 28,000 rupees, and if you want to buy this tablet with offers, you can see that with Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card you will get around 1,700 cashback. So the effective price comes down to 25,300 rupees, and I think at this price point you are getting 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The offer is not so great, but if you have urgency, in that case you can consider this tablet right now. Then another tablet in the list is Xiaomi Pad 8. It is priced at around 36,000 rupees, and after that you will get offers on HDFC credit card, no cost EMI up to 2,425 rupees, and if you have ICICI Bank credit card, in that case you will get 2,000 rupees instant, around 2,000 rupees discount, 1,800 instant and 300 rupees after the bill cycle. So effectively you are getting 2,100 rupees cashback, so the price comes down towards 33,000 rupees, and not 33 but 34 actually. So I think the price is on the higher side for this tablet, so if you can wait till another sale you will definitely get discounts on these tablets. Next, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus, in that case don't buy this tablet right now because the price is very high. Wait for Big Billion Days sale when you will get great offers on this tablet. Tab S10 AP Plus is a very good tablet for students. The multimedia consumption is great, note-taking experience will be very good if you are a student. Also you will get regular software updates and the software experience is very good on Samsung tablets. Some users actually want to know whether they can consider iPad 11th generation at 43,000 rupees. I think no. The price will definitely come down in Big Billion Days sale. Wait for that sale to get the best discounts and don't buy iPad 11th generation now. The price is very high right now. I will let you know about the best offers on iPads whenever there is a deal, so stay subscribed with this channel. If you have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.